We in the regional conference call upon the stakeholders, especially the county and the national government, to get to meaningful dialogue with the doctors and other health sector workers to end the ongoing strike. It is very insensitive to allow the collapse of healthcare services for more than a month. As church leaders, we are available to provide mediation as required. The only thing that the government needs to come is to come together. If there is any negotiation, it should be negotiated without any of the team having to have hardliners, so that they can come with a meaningful decision to how the healthcare will be managed in future. We in this regional conference appreciate that the National Dialogue Committee, NADOC, presented a report that was adopted by the Parliament. The report is due for implementation. However, the majority of Kenya, most of the residents of our counties included, are not familiar with the contents of the report, even though its recommendation will have serious implications on our lives. We therefore call upon the speakers of the National Assembly and the Senate, Honorable Moses Wetangula and Moses Amason Kingi, to have the report published in manner accessible to all Kenyans. Further, the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee should also hold sitting in the counties to receive feedback from the citizens and then use the feedback to fine-tune the parliamentary bills that were drafted